I'm the Sacco chair, and I want to welcome you to this our AGM, to former director and also one senior.
Torena Julius wa Korea gwito mathareine ni torena muthege ceha na ni gamo kafi makofi haya kiari.
The actually thought perception is that this is a Sacco for Murang'a people.
Daniel Mugai wa Joroges, chamas supervisory. Asante sana bwana Mugai.
My name is James Mbui, Chief Executive Officer of Amica, and today we had our 27th annual general meeting. And in a general meeting, usually we focus on the approval of the financial statements of the year that was. And I must say that we had a good year, despite the economic challenges that we had in the country. And we were able to register between 15 and 22% growth in most of the key parameters. Our asset base grew by 22%. Our revenues grew by 19%. Our deposits and loans grew by averagely 17%. And so we can say that our year was not bad, although we had challenges in the growth of expenses, mainly driven by the increase in interest rates. You know, the interest rates went up to about 18% for treasury bills and bonds. And because of that, we also had to attract deposits more expensively. And generally the cost of living has been going up, and so quite some of our overheads also went up. And so we can say, yes, revenues grew, but also expenses were also growing at quite a high rate. But we had a good year because we had also a growth in our bottom line. And so we must say that 2024 was a good year. And again, we are also happy because our members have continued to support this business. And we have seen that being driven a lot by the strong brand. Our brand is continuing to grow strong from one strength to another. And so that is leveraging, or the growth is actually mainly based on the growth in the way that our brand has been very visible and becoming a very strong brand over time. We are also investing a lot. We have invested a lot in technology. A lot of our business now is in channels. Very few of our people are coming to the banking hall, so we don't have a lot of over-the-counter transactions. We also have a program we call Daily Field Service Program, where we are also able to go and collect deposits and also offer services to our members at the convenience of their workplaces. And so we must say that we are also looking forward for a great year, 2025. We have started well. We are looking at increasing our deposits by about 150 million Kenya shillings. We are looking at our growth of our revenue from the 1.3 billion to 1.6 billion this year. We are looking at closing at a net income of 400 million. Our deposits are also projected to grow by over a billion shillings, and that is those are the key parameters for growth in 2025. And the year has started well, so we expect that things will be okay the way things have started looking up even from the beginning of Q1 of 2025. You know, as a Sacco, we are allowed to introduce any kind of a savings deposit because we are already a regulated institution. And so for us, we are saying that we want to develop a product that has features like that of MMF, but nothing requires us to go that direction of getting approvals. We are already regulated by SASRA, but it's a product that is going to be rivaling what is happening, so that our members do not take their deposits all the way to Nairobi, yet those are services that we can actually be able to offer, provided those deposits are safe and that they are regulated.
In 2024, the country GDP expanded by 4.7%, a decline from 5.6% previous year. Meanwhile, the Sacco remained resilient despite economic slowdown, with revenue growth of 16.2% and loan portfolio expansion of 15.1%, showcase our ability to thrive in challenging microeconomic conditions. The economic exhibited encouraging trend, with inflation easing to 3% from 6.8% at the beginning of the year, providing relief to consumer and businesses. Additionally, the Kenya shillings appreciated significantly by 17% against US dollars, exchanging at 129 at the end of the year.